In Danish, the letter M is one of the letters that sounds quite easy and it's not that difficult to learn. If it's in the beginning of the word like måge, må, måske, then it's a clear sound. Like when you eat something delicious. Men, måge, mus. That's easy. If the M is in the middle of the word or in the end, it can sound a little more like that it's blending with the letters around. Like komme or sommer, ma. Then it's more like a mama sound. Danes speaks really fast. It can be difficult to know if there's one M, if there's two M's, like in words like kommer, drømmer, mamma. You can hear it, but you really have to know it. So while M seems quite straightforward, I like it, then you still need to be able to know when it's an or more a sound. So good luck learning that.